What's really important when adopting digital technologies is that you create value for multiple levels of the business. If you're a machine operator, you want to see that this piece of digital technology is going to make your life easier. It's so important for the management team of any manufacturing business to prove to everyone in the business that this is a positive step in the right direction.
We've approached that challenge in two different ways. We have quite a diverse range of employees with varying levels of digital literacy. So a big thing we've focused on whilst digitising our manufacturing is ensuring that we make things as simple as possible to use. One thing we've done in recent years is we've introduced two new teams, our technology team and our systems operations team. Those two teams are responsible for developing and deploying digital solutions. When we're deploying any new technology on the shop floor, we aim to work very closely with the department where we're deploying it. We ask for feedback and we keep going back and checking periodically that they're still able to use that technology.
When we were implementing ForgeRock, we decided that it had to be something that the shop floor were part of. We decided that from the outset that we would tell them everything about it. We included them in meetings so they could see that we were not there to try and track them. We were there to try and keep an eye on the machine and what the machine is doing.
Yeah, there's been a huge cultural shift, particularly since implementing the machine monitoring with ForgeRock. We've seen that now that people are aware of the downtime and they can actually see the scale of it, the operators on the shop floor are much more open, and I guess they themselves want to help with the reducing that downtime. We find more and more now that the guys on the shop floor are able to make better decisions themselves without having to necessarily go up to management to decide what to prioritise, because they can actually see the output and learn themselves.
What technology can give manufacturing businesses is transparency and visibility. Use that transparency and visibility to steer the entire business towards success for the benefit of everyone within that business. You have to start with solving a problem. You have to make small steps with a piece of technology that is actually going to help solve that problem. And then once you've done that, then it's really important that then you grow it. The cultural adoption is easier when you do the step-by-step improvements and you prove that this piece of technology is going to help various different people within your business.